From FXEmpire, this is Chris taking a look at the S&P 500. The S&P 500 has shown itself to be bullish yet again, but all things being equal, the short-term pullback is a buying opportunity, especially with the 4,800 level being a massive support level, as it was previously a resistance barrier. All things being equal, I do think that this is a scenario where you are trying to find some type of value. We are overextended. I'm not a buyer up here, although I certainly wouldn't be a seller as well. And therefore, I do think we eventually get to the 5,000 level, but in general, this is a situation where you have to, at the very least, kill some time and go sideways. After all, markets can't go straight up in the air forever. And of course, the most important thing that we have to pay attention to is the fact that we have Wednesday, the FOMC meeting, and perhaps even more importantly, the press conference afterwards. In this environment, it's difficult to understand just how important this is going to be, as far as trying to find value, because the last thing you want to do is be the person holding the bag all the way up here. The 4,900 level is going to offer some resistance, so keep that in the back of your mind as well. A 200-point drop would be the best thing that we could see for this market. Whether or not we get it remains to be seen. Remember, the S&P 500 is driven by about 7 stocks. It has nothing to do with, nothing to do with the underlying economy or anything like that. It's all about 7 stocks. And of course, the Federal Reserve, what they are going to do with monetary policy, because Wall Street needs that cheap money to keep pumping up assets.